What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. It's hump day, baby, so you already know we got to step outside. We got to catch us a bluesy. You know what I'm saying? I know the kids out of school, and hump day means a different thing to different people. I know what it mean to me, what it mean to you. But anyway, let's get to this money, baby, shall we? We got a lot to talk about. I'm going to go into that drip. But first of all, got to do this piggy bank. Not piggy bank, this pig pen. I'm going to do the piggy bank airdrop at the end. Remember I told you if you watched the video yesterday, you leave your link in the description or whatever, or your address in your comment, you get a chance to win these airdrops, and I'm gonna do it in the video. I'm gonna show you this pig pen first, cause you know I got my little thing up right here. So let me just show you, right? Bam. Then we got the bam. So I'm gonna do the fresh one. I'm gonna do the fresh. Pull this over here like that. Boy, your boy learning some stuff. Look at that, boy. You know that about that? Check it out. Okay, let's do it. What I got? 37 pernt 1 with the price 130. That's times 130.67 equals 48.49. Spread this over. That's why I kept these up here. See what I'm saying? Look at it. This was 2 days ago. This was a day ago. And this is today. Just more money every day. All the pig pen is to keep you from just withdrawing all your pigs at one time. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. It's just giving you 2% back what you got in there. You know what I'm saying? That's all it's doing, bro. It's genius. And I get more money every day. If I take it out right now, I got 4. Look, it's down the numbers right there. 2 days ago, 1 day ago today. That just would, even with the price going down. You see what I'm saying? Go put your money in something else, see what you get. You know? Let me know how that works. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's keep it moving, man. B&B Finance. Y'all know I'm loving this thing, man. It just works. I love this thing. It just works. They stay out the way. They'll be hollering about, oh, we the drip garden killer and blah, 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 and all that tough guy stuff. They don't do that, bro. They just be over here making money. Been going longer than drip. Been going, just going. With all the carrying on, they just here. I'm finna compound this. All I'm doing is just increasing my TVL. That's all I'm doing. Easy peasy, baby. Easy peasy. They gave me that old finger. You know it's hump day. Get the finger pretty quick. Bam. You see it. Went from 1288 to 15 B&B, baby. Hey, I'm just growing with the contract, man. You want to grow with it? Link in the description. No big deal. But anyway, let's get to this monster, shall we? Let's jump on over here to the monster, baby. You see what I got? 16,000. I had 13,000 yesterday. 16. You see what I'm saying? Hey, you got to be if you got a lot of drip, you have to be responsible, baby. You just can't withdraw all it, take it all out, try to dump the price. I don't do that, bro. I ain't never sold more than 69 drip, ever. It's on the blockchain. People watching my wallet every day. It's on the blockchain, baby. You know what I'm saying? You see people, they be bragging about selling all that drip. Man, we ain't doing that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep the monster going. But anyway, let's talk about the good things about drip, right? Let me tell you something. Before drip came, all I wanted, I was preaching this in every video. All I wanted was a platform that worked. Give me an honest dev and a platform that worked. That's all I was asking for. That's it. We didn't have it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, bank teller and the bankroll community, but we wasn't making no money now, man. Let's just call it what it is. We weren't making no money now. So along came Forex, came up with drip. It works. Never, ever have I come to drip. And all platforms can't say this. Never have I came to drip and come to this buy button or this sell button and it didn't work. Ever. No matter what the price was, no matter what the FUD was going on, no matter what was going on. When you put an amount of drip in here and hit that sale, it go through, Jack. Period. End of story. Ain't no pausing, ain't no none of that. You see what I'm saying? No down for maintenance, let's be tried it. None of that. It's been working forever. You understand what I'm saying? And the main thing, let me tell you something about drip. Let me tell you how bad drip is, right? Drip is so awesome. Let me get to this reservoir because I got to do my reservoir buy. Drip is so awesome. You know how awesome drip is when people, every time a platform come out, what do they compare themselves to? Drip. Oh, if you like drip, you're going to love this. Oh, this is the drip killer. Oh, the drip, this. They can't promote their stuff without saying drip. Because it's the best DeFi platform ever created. Period. If it wasn't, they ain't comparing themselves to nothing else. You could pay yourself to the top. You see what I'm saying? You could pay yourself to the best. And drip is the best ever. Or they wouldn't be comparing themselves to it. You see what I'm saying? So you got to back up and think. Use perspective. You know, and I hate when other platforms do. That's why I don't even talk about once I even think about doing another platform and I hear this, oh, this is the drip killer. I'm out. You trying to be tough and all that carrying on. You're an idiot. You're stupid. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that. And I'll tell you another thing about drip, right? This ain't even drip season. You understand what I'm saying? Drip just going. Forex had to concentrate on the migration with the pigs and all this carrying on and all the inboxes and all this and hiring new developers and all this carrying on behind the scene. They doing the dogs, trying to do that migration and figuring out what the LP gonna be and all. That's a lot going on behind the scenes, bro. Anybody coming in the microphone and hoop and holler. You know what I'm saying? And if they so bad, start a platform. You see Trayvon doing it? Ain't none of them ever worked, but he keep trying. He keep trying. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how that work out for you. This stuff is not easy, bro. Paying 1% a day over a year is not easy. And we ain't talking about the drip guard. The drip guard is still there. It's just a minor, and it's paying. It's still there, bro. Now, I tell you what, the big thing that got me is the scratch offs. If you heard I ain't even got to the AMA he did yesterday. I ain't even gonna get into that. If you heard it, you already know. And you can tell a lot about a platform by how the developer talks about it. You know, and I hate to keep going back to bank teller, but you know what it is. But even when he talk about this stuff, when you can tell what is going down, and well, guys, you know, this and that and other, and well, you know, no. Forex like, you know, we got this coming, we got that coming. He ain't even worried. Like, for what? I got it covered. It's done. The new UI, done. You see what I'm saying? All this stuff going to he just put what, 5,000-6,000 in the tax vault? The tax vault is the lifeblood of this platform, bro. We don't talk about it, but it is. You know what I'm saying? Got the partnerships. He's still working behind the scene, even no matter what I say, people behind the scene. He's still working on I think with ApeSwap and whoever else. You know what I'm saying? If it's beneficial for Drip, he gonna do it. He don't care what the FUD is. It's a lot of stuff coming, but he concentrating on the dogs first. Got to get this out, get the whole ecosystem back running smooth. That's all we need. The whole, no matter what come out, what come and go, especially if you're a new platform. How you gonna be a new platform? This supposed to be your glory day. You know, Drip been here. Drip the OG. Drip don't sit on the pole, just people watching. He done did all the dirt. You supposed to be the young gun in the street. You know what I'm saying? Raising hell. Your price supposed to be through the moon. You can't be going down with everybody else. If you knew, you know what I'm just saying. Am I lying? If it was the other way around, there people saying that about Drip. Drip just came out and the price already going down. People say, oh, it just came out. There you go. Which they did anyway. And Drip has defied all the odds. All of them since day one. You can't pay 1% of that. It's impossible. In the last 30 days, people got last 30 days. You can't last 6 months. It's impossible. Nothing like 6 months. You can't. It be gone by Christmas. Here we are. A year and a month. And matter of fact, we passed a year and a month. We in June now. About to be 14 months paying. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, let me show you this too. Hold on, where's that? Let me show you this too. See, we have to celebrate this stuff. I got a whole group celebrating people that's in Drip. You in Drip? You ain't got people. They had these people, on my team. People just celebrating their stuff. They, from Drip. Let me show you something. I ain't gonna show the video. I'm just show the photo. This is a celebration of Drip, baby. Got the Fosters. Somebody put some speakers in their truck. People showing their faucets. Ain't nobody's running and scared of Drip. They showing their faucets. They proud. They proud buying watches. You know what I'm saying? People buying shoes. These people from overseas and carrying on. You might not like it, but they love it. Somebody put Drip on their phone. Somebody buying them good old food. concerts. Look at it. Look at all these faucets. Man, why this is drip. You understand what I'm telling you? Don't let nobody, man, look, don't let no outside influence tell you how you should be feeling. You see what I'm saying? Look at it right, boy. This is a nice little setup right here, boy. This is a nice little setup right here, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me? I can keep going. Look at them ugly Kanye shoes. Somebody on vacation. Look at it. Man. Come on, bro. I can keep going, bro. All day long. People buying pots and pans. Look at the old school. Look at the old school. Let me check this out, man. Check this out. Look at that. Thanks to Drip. 7-1 Mercury Cougar. $10K for the car, $2,600 for the rim. See, but thanks to Drip. Guys, if the price is going down, it's not because it's just going down, just be doing it. People are profit taking. You know what I'm saying? This is changing people's lives, bro. Drip has people's families thinking they selling drugs or doing some other stuff. No, it simply works. It simply works. It's the best platform ever created, and it's still going. You have people thinking it ain't even working. Like, what you talking about? It's still going. Like, it's crazy. I can keep going. I'm looking at this. Look at that. It's crazy. Somebody said the crypto.com arena. What this is? Oh, you already eating they chocolates? Look at them eating them chocolates stacking up. I see them 20s. See a couple of hundos, and I see you. Why? Hey, we all cash out for cash. This is what it look like. When you see them, you see Drip, and I be showing you, like, you know, it don't matter if it's 1,000, 300, 800, 10,000. This is what everybody cashes out to. It ain't no secret. This is what it ends up looking like. That's Drip. That's what it looks like. We just see the numbers on the screen, but this is what this is the manifestation of Forex's vision, bro. Right here. Right here. You can't get this nowhere else. What you gonna do? Go to Elephant? It ain't happening. Because to get this from Elephant, you gotta sell it. It ain't no more coming. You don't see no reflection. But all right, come on, let's keep it real, bro. When you sell Drip, you go right back to your account. You got more right there, more right there, more right there. No matter if I come over here and I claim this and sell it all, when I come back tomorrow, I'm gonna have more money right here. I'm gonna have more money. No matter if I hate Forex, if I love Forex, no matter what, the haters, the supporters, you and Drip, you get paid. Period. Can't say that about a whole lot of other stuff, but you be nervous. At this point, you would think you be nervous, that all this. Man, you go to sleep and wake up, you know Drip gonna be here. The biggest criticism by Drip is the price. I wish the price was up. I hope the price go up. You see what I'm saying? That's what everything. Go down. Let me go over here. Where is that? Let's check out the market, shall we? Bitcoin. Man, it was just 69,000. Remember we were supposed to be going straight to 100,000? That was going to be the bottom, the new bottom. Nope. Ethereum was, what, 4,800? Almost 5,000. It's supposed to be going to 10, 20,000. That's what BitBoy said. Nope. BNB, remember the diamond hands? Even Crypto Slow said we're going straight to 1,000. When it hit 600, we going straight to 1,000. Diamond hands it, baby. Nope. You know what I'm saying? XRP, it's supposed to be $8 now, remember? Oh, yeah. Well, wait till the lawsuit in. Nope. Cardano, we already know. Nope. Solana, it was just about 100, 1,300, 14. Nope. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could go on and on and on. But people just want to, Drip price down. Everything down, but we still get paid this money. The best economic vehicle ever created, bro. Period. Ain't no competition. None. It's the top. It's the Muhammad Ali. It's the LeBron James. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about baseball. You can say, some people say Babe Ruth. I say Hank Aaron, Willie Mae. You know what I'm saying? If you look at the stat, Hank Aaron, when he retired, he owned every stat that it was. Like, all of it. RBIs, home runs, all of it. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. I can get off of that. Anyway, Drip is awesome. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.